This week on This is Ruth Yole, a delicious chicken stir fry recipe. Subscribe and tap the notification bell for updates. Welcome to my world. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of This is Ruth Yole. Karibuni sana, and if you're new here, karibu sana, and make sure you subscribe and tap notification bell for updates. So I am back with another recipe. I am super excited, and today we are making chicken stir fry. So this is a yummy mix of chicken, nuts, we have green beans and some spices. Let's get into it. You'll need 400 grams of chicken breast cut into strips, 1 red hoho cut into strips, a handful of green beans chopped, 2 carrots cut into strips, 4 garlic cloves crushed, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger crushed, 1 onion chopped, 100 grams of cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of oil. In a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil and chicken. I requested the butchery to cut the meat for me. Cook for 10 minutes till the chicken is brown. Remove the chicken from the pan. Add the remaining oil and add in the onion, red hoho, green beans and carrots. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the chicken back to the pan. Add garlic and ginger and cook for 3 minutes, stirring frequently. Add soy sauce and the cashew nuts. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Serve. Enjoy! Our chicken stir fry smells, looks and tastes amazing. You can have this on its own or you can have this with rice or potatoes. Really yummy. So if you try this recipe, please let me know. Comment down below. I'd like to know how it goes. You can also send me photos or videos on Instagram at This is Ruth Yole. And if you're new here, karibu sana. Make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell for updates. And you can also watch previous videos that I have uploaded. Thank you so much for staying with me up to the end of this video. Until next time, bye. Mwah.